expensive fucking joint, man.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Dante from GrownGreen here. Got another pack opening for you. Got a 90s pack opening. This is going to be part of the Attic Find series. We got an NBA, we got two NBA hoops packs for you. They're both from Skybox. We got two Series 2 1995-96 basketball packs. We also have a Series 1 95-96 basketball pack. This was the draft class that included Kevin Garnett, Jerry Stackhouse, Joe Smith. So we're gonna bust open these, see what we got in them. Back in the day, they were retailing for $1.50. I'll pop up the price what they're going for now on eBay. But nonetheless, guys, let's get into the pack opening. See what we got. All these packs are already open. They're part of the Attic Find series. If you guys are enjoying this series, leave a like, let me know. I made an update video on that. Check that video out. But first card we're getting is a Lawrence Moten, John Solly, got a Junior Burrow. Go focus on these. So we're looking for a KG card. Will Purdue. Okay, this is a neat card. This is a Dikembe Mutombo. Check the back of this out. Blocks Dikembe Mutombo card. It's a nice card there. Cool. Got a Brian Williams. Gary Trent, rookie card. Nice. And the last card is going to be an earth-shaking Clarence Weatherspoon. It's pretty cool. Got the little heart rate in the background there. Check that out. Cool, guys. We're going to open up this next one. It's going to be the Series 2. Got another Series 2. We also have a Series 1 as well. We'll open that one up last. See if we get in this one. Anything in this one? Check it out, guys. Open this a little bit. Okay. Brian Scott. These packs have 8 in each of the packs. The Series 1, the Series... the Series 2. I mean, the Series 1 has 12, I believe. 12 cards in the pack. Got a Pat Riley card. That's a cool card. And on the side, Coach card. We got a Khalid Reeves. Here we go. We got a point. What is this? Let's read the back. I can't read the gold little print there. A points. Dennis Scott. So, cool card there. Oh, okay, so it's a rookie card, Gary Payton. Oh, no, not a rookie, but a Rock the House, Gary Payton. Cool. Back up. Cool card there. Another Gary Trent. And we're finishing with a Rock the House, John Starks, for you New York Knicks fans out there. Alright, let's get into this Series 1 pack now, NBA Hoops. It's going to be the last pack of the pack opening. If you guys enjoy the Attic Find series, let me know, guys. I really enjoy doing these videos for you guys. I think they're neat, 90 videos, so it's a little niche for you guys. For you 90 fanatics, got a Jim Jackson, Felton Spencer. Ooh, okay. Got a Jason Kidd, that's a nice card. Let's check the back of this one out. You guys can pause and read that if you're interested. Pretty cool card there. To the side, little Jason Kidd. Jason Kidd. Muggsy Bogues. Got a head coach there for the Cavs. For the Cleveland Cavs. Oh, okay, it's a nice little card here. We got a Grant Hill. Crunchers Grant Hill. Check the back of that one out. Stuck here. It's a neat card there, guys. This is a rookie card, I believe. I'll have to double check for you guys. But cool card there. Cool design on the back. Put that to the side. Got a Ken Anderson buzzer beater. That's pretty cool. Got the 2 seconds on the clock there. Neat one there. Oh, not the Kevin we were looking for. We were looking for Kevin Garnett, but Kevin Johnson. Oh, we missed this one as well. We got a Buck Williams. Charles Smith. And the last card's going to be a Alonzo Mourning Hall of Famer. Cool card there. Back out. But that's it for the pack opening, guys. If you enjoyed the NBA Hoops pack opening, let me know. If you guys are enjoying the Attic Find series, leave a comment. Link to the eBay will be in the description. Thanks, guys.
GrownGreen.